Ismail's Play World.
Monopoly Junior Cars 3 Edition. A fun and educational game for your little ones. All the locations in this edition are based on the Cars movie, and the counters are replaced with cars. Let's unbox. Wow, look at the colorful counters. And I see a dice too. We have $1 bills and chance cards. I ordered this online, so I was a little disappointed to see that instead of cars, they had included cardboard cutouts. For the counters we have Lightning McQueen, Cruz Ramirez, Jackson Storm, and Smokey. And here are the instructions. The gameplay is explained so well that the kids can understand themselves. And here we have tokens instead of hotels and houses to make the gameplay simpler. Can you tell me what color this is? Black. And the next one is yellow. What about this one? Red. Brown. Let's go again. Black. Yellow, red, brown, This edition has only $1 bills, so that the kids can add and subtract easily. 1 plus 1 equals 2. What color is Cruz's counter? It's pink. Lightning McQueen has an orange counter. And what about this one? Yes, that's right, it's blue. This last one is purple. Let's play. First, we need to place all the counters on go, and then the youngest player rolls the dice. I got the number 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I landed on chance. Let's see what it is. I hope it's something good. Advance to the red space and get it for free. Woohoo! That means I get to keep the space and I don't even have to pay any money. Thunder Hollow Speedway. Since this belongs to Cruz now, we will keep a Cruz token on this space. If anyone lands on this space, they will have to pay $3 to Cruz. After each player takes their turn, it's Cruz's turn to roll again. I got a 2. 1, 2. Oh no! This space belongs to Jackson Storm. I will have to pay him $3. 1, plus 1 makes 2, plus another 1 makes 3. 1, 2, 3. $3 go to Jackson Storm. And so the game goes on. You keep rolling the dice and playing until one of the player runs out of money. The game stops and the player with the most money wins.